Imagine you're deep into crafting the perfect document in Microsoft Word, only to find that certain sections are locked, making it impossible to edit or customize them. It's frustrating, right? Whether it's a template that won't budge or a stubborn text box that's frozen in place, these roadblocks can completely derail your productivity and creativity. But what if there was a simple way to regain control and unlock these sections effortlessly? In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step technique that allows you to basically navigate and unlock these restricted elements in Microsoft Word, transforming your document editing experience from limited to limitless. Okay guys, so here we have a Microsoft Word document and none of these elements are editable. As you can see, I can type on the keyboard and absolutely nothing happens. You can also see that there's some protections that are on, and you can see this in the bottom left-hand side of the screen there. Okay, so how do we go about navigating this? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to head on over to the File tab. From here, we're going to go to Info, and then you can see that there's this area. Well, on dark mode, this is actually quite prominent and quite easy to see, but it says, protected document. From here, we can click the drop-down menu, and you can see that there's a few settings on here. You might have other settings, such as encrypted with password, open always as read only. And what you want to do is you want to deactivate some of these elements so that you can actually edit the document. So to start with, you can see down here, this is marked up as final. That means that it's a final document and I can't edit it. So the first thing I want to do is turn that off. And then I want to go back and see if I can edit this document now I've turned that off. Now, for me, that is still not working. So I need to go back to File. We'll head on over to Info and we'll go back to that drop-down menu. This time, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the restricted editing, and we're going to turn that off. You can see down here in the bottom right hand corner says stop protecting. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we can close this off, and now I should be able to edit this document flawlessly. And so it's as simple as that. You just need to check to see whether or not you've got any password protections in place, whether it is a document that is marked up as final, or whether in fact there is restricted editing allowed on your document, in which case you want to turn these off so that you can go ahead and edit the document as needed. If you found this useful and informative, smash a like button, guys. If you're new to the channel and want to stay up to date with all of the hints and tips that we have across various pieces of software, then why not go ahead and subscribe? And if you haven't done so already, check that video out right there. It's one you don't want to miss.